Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send picture in Telegram with timer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, we're gonna open up our Telegram app. Now one thing that you have to make sure is you cannot do that on the group. So for example, if I go to group and tap on this little attachments icon and choose a file for me to send, I won't find the timer option here in the add caption section. I will have to go to the individual text because that service is only available for that. So let's say I will have this person. Let me search up, and I'm going to tap on this little attachment at the bottom left, and then I'm going to choose my file. Then I will have this little timer icon, right? I can simply tap on this little timer. I can choose the timer for how long I want it. I can choose 3 seconds, and now I will send, and within the 3 seconds of them viewing, it will disappear. That is how easy it is to do so. Again, as I mentioned, make sure to remember that it cannot be sent on the group itself. It can only be sent to individual conversation. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.